it was William Shakespeare who said all the world's a stage, and all of us actors and actresses with our acts. I have played the part of a 6'5" guy for quite some time, which carries with it certain challenges, like going on the internet and finding exactly 0 shirts that fit my excessively long arms. But as the Italians say, dimenticalo, forget about it. Roll up your sleeves, and out of nowhere, such an abundance of shirts will appear that you can now wear. An amazing thing out of such a simple act. So now I have morphed into a 6'5" guy who models rolled up sleeves, a role model, get it, you might say, and a self-appointed one at that. Okay, so what does that have to do with faith and stewardship? The term roll up your sleeves is generally followed by the word and, which implies roll up your sleeves and do something, like serve God's children. A great example of that are waitresses who roll up their sleeves and serve the public, also known as God's children. And those waitresses are real role models. Our faith community takes it another step further by also serving God's creation. Let's pat ourselves on the back. In the challenging year of 2020, we found new ways to worship, educate, and reach people. Our family has shown even more generosity than its already strong track record in giving. But that's enough back patting. We need to get ready to do even more and even better. Our ministry depends on it. Our neighbors depend on it. God's children and God's creation all depend on it. We need to keep this momentum going. Your role model, so to speak, promises to cover the very first part of it and roll up his sleeves throughout the entire 2021 in the hopes of inspiring many more great accomplishments and much more successful stewardship to come. That's all for now. Carry on, and thanks be to God.